Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I've got a 16 by 20 inch canvas and I am going to do a swipe on it. I have a phthalo blue, a primary red, a white, and I've mixed these paints with Elmer's Glue All and water. And it's 70% glue, 30% water. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay a line here. Line here. I sure hope I have enough paint. To do what I have in mind. Okay, that's pretty good. I'll take my blue, put it on the side here. Okay, what I have here is just a piece of plastic that came off of this canvas. I'm going to try and gently lay it in my blue paint. To make sure that I have contact all the way across. Don't need too much contact. And slowly pull this down. All the way to the end. Okay. Let's see, I've got a couple of bare spots here. See if I can fix those. Okay. I'm going to give this another quick swipe because I don't quite like the way that it turned out. So, this other side. Just really slowly pull it across. There, that's much better. I like that. Okay. Fix up this side a little bit. Lost some of my blue pulling it. Brought it right down to the canvas. It's always a good use for your drips. Okay, I'm going to give this a torch. Get rid of the bubbles I see first. Move slowly so I can get some nice cells in here. And I had a couple of drops of silicone in each one of these colors, including the white. Okay, there it is. It's beautiful. Let those cells develop a little bit here. Just pretty webbing here. Okay, I'm going to let that develop a little bit. I want to show you what I want to do is I want to put this right in the center. And I think I'm going to do it with a thin down white so that it is kind of transparent on there. So there'll be more to come. Not finished yet. The kind of excited to see how this turns out. I'll pick it up so you can see a close-up. The little cells going on. The way that blue did some webbing in there. I'm pretty happy with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll post this when I have it finished. This is a gift for someone. So I keep it a little bit on the down low and hide it and try and work on it in my spare time, but hopefully before I upload the video. Well, it will do definitely before I upload the video, because I don't want that person to see it, and they might see it if I post the video. So thanks for visiting, guys. Appreciate it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks again. Bye.